Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Moshmi, Principal of St. Xavier's High School, Hardoi. It is nearby Lucknow and our school is still class 12. This is the year when CBSE board is conducting class 10th and 12th board examinations in India and across 26 countries where 44 lakh students are appearing in the board examinations. And if I want to go little more, 1,44,000 copies the teachers need to evaluate. Now I am coming, what are the changes board has brought in this year? The main three changes are there. The number one, in case of class 10, there will be 2 board examinations. Number 2, in case of class 10th only, on the basis of the feedback of the stakeholders, for the judicious evaluation, board has divided science and social studies in different sections. Like science will be having 3 sections, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and social studies will be having 4 sections, history, geography, economics, and political science. And the most important thing to be said, all these sections will be checked by the subject specific teachers. And the third thing and the most important changes, that is the on-screen marking in case of class 12 only. That is on-screen marking, we can say in a short form OSM. The copies will not be coming to the teachers physically. It will be absolutely, teachers will be checking the copies on the digital mode. The copies will be scanned and it will be shown on the computer, and teachers will be checking the copies absolutely digitally.
Teachers can stay in their own school for the evaluation purpose, and in this way what will happen, the transportation cost as well as the time both will be saved in both the cases. Like in case of the teachers also, both the things will be saved. In case of the question papers also, transportation cost may be saved, and the time duration what it used to take to transport from the from the CBSE head office or the regional office to the different examination centers, that time will also be saved, which is very, very important. Next point, which is that is also, all the points are very important whatever I am going to discuss over here. So I will request all the board examinees as well as all the teachers, those who will be involved in the OSM, please listen this video very carefully. Next point I am coming, that what are the things mainly required for the OSM, for online on-screen marking, what are the things are required. Like first of all, we all know as it will be on the digitally only, so for that only what we require, 4 GB RAM, it is very much required. These are all compulsory. Windows OS, Google Chrome or Edge browser, and stable internet connection. There should not be any load shedding in between, the power cut, it should not be. That beforehand the evaluation center has to take proper care of that. And the static public IP and the PDF reader mouse, these are all.
As we all know, our Honorable Prime Minister, his vision is to make India digital, that is Digital India. So keeping that thing in the mind also, our Honorable CBSE board has introduced OSM in the year of 2026 for class 12. Now I am coming, what is OSM? I have already said that copies will be evaluated digitally. The sincere teachers, we all are having dedicated teachers, sincere teachers and the responsible teachers. With the help of them only, it will be possible to make the examination error-free, to make sure the examination procedure will be more transparent, more efficient. This OSM has been introduced. Now the teachers will be getting lesser number of copies to check in a quality time. In the sufficient time will be allowed to the teachers with the lesser number of copies, so that what will happen, the teachers will be able to check copies more thoroughly. First thing. Second thing, earlier totaling used to be done manually. Now it will be absolutely digitally, so it will be absolute error free. We can say elimination of the totaling wrong totaling. The second thing, the automated coordination. Earlier, there was the manual intervention, but now it will be automated coordination.
The next thing, which is very important thing, the cost of the transportation as well as the time, both will be saved in both the ways. How? Because in a physical mode, question papers are not going to the examination center, so transportation cost will be saved by the CBSE.
Now I'm coming the level of checking. On screen you can see what was the procedure we were following till 2025. Now I'm coming, now what we are going to introduce newly. According to a particular subject, one head examiner will be there. Under that head examiner, 2-3 AHE may be there, and under one AHE, there will be fixed only 3 evaluators will be there. That's all. This is the procedure only. So, and above everything, from the CBSE, the controlling authority, the main authority will be there who will be controlling the full system. So these are the 4 steps. First of all, the CBSE controlling authority, then the AHE, under AHE there may be 2 or more than that AHE, and under single AHE there will be fixed 3 evaluators only. That's it. Now I'm coming, in this process, what are the other benefits we are getting? Lot of teachers from the different schools will be able to engage themselves in the evaluation procedures. Rather, I will say they will be getting the opportunity to involve themselves in the evaluation procedure. And other than that, globally, the teachers, they can take part in this evaluation process. To make it a successful one, CBSE board has taken all sorts of measures like capacity building program, different sorts of training which is based on the OSM only, and small video clipping which is based on the particular activities of the OSM procedures. Next, I am coming in the school also, being the principal or being the CNS, we are supposed to give the training to our HE, AHE as well as all the evaluators. So to all my dear children, those who are class 12th board appearing, I always say that you should feel lucky enough that you are studying under such a board who is continuously doing the research work, and in continuation with that only they have discovered or they are going to introduce on-screen marking system. So some guideline for the children, those who will be appearing the board examination, try to keep your copy neat and clean as it will be evaluated digitally. First thing. Second thing, while you are mentioning the answer number, question number, that must be mentioned. There will be provision in the copy. There will be line in the copy. Beside that only you need to write. Don't write the question number in the space where you are supposed to write the answers. This is a very small thing. Just keep it in your mind. What for? I'm just here to guide you people. Don't keep any wrong notion about it in your mind. Teachers are well qualified. They are dedicated. We all full teaching community is there to make this exam, to make this evaluation process error free, to make it more transparent and to make it more efficient. Yeah. Now I'm coming towards the board appearing students of class 10th examinations. Like in case of class 10 board examination, I have already told that there are the major changes in case of science and social science. Science, there will be 3 divisions, social science, there will be 4 divisions. My dear children, the very important thing, just listen it very carefully, that your first board examination, what you are going to appear, after the completion of the first board examination, if you feel the particular subject you want to appear for the improvement, immediately you can go to your school and you can mention, you can apply for the improvement. So your name will be coming in the LOC. You don't require to pay any amount. Now when the result is going to declare, after declaring the result, you have seen your copy marks and all, you have got your marks. One thing to be said, the first board result, the marks and all, you will be getting in DigiLocker only. So while you are getting your marks, if you are not satisfied, if you think that you need to sit in the improvement only, so you need to go to your school, then you have to pay an amount for the improvement only. So all the best to all my dear students, those who are appearing board examination 2026.